Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you what are the best tires for this car. The recommended size of the tires for this car is 225/50 R17 wheel. You can check it on the tire pressure sticker. Top picks for tires are Michelin Primacy 4+, for smooth, quiet, with excellent wet grip, Continental PremiumContact 6, excellent braking, good all-rounder, and Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2, low rolling resistance, comfortable, and for winter tires, Nokian WR Snowproof or Michelin Alpin 6. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.